Peerless Xander Pull-Out Kitchen Sink Faucet In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.5 stars based on 160 ratings and 62 reviews. 90% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 5% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Can't go wrong. Have been a custom kitchen cabinet maker and designer. Have seen a lot of faucets and I am impressed with the quality and appearance of this faucet. The lines are clean and comfortable to handle. The sprayer does a great job and doesn't spray all over. The switch/button to change from spray to stream is in just the right place and switches back and forth easily and comfortably. I am finishing up my not so tiny house on wheels, and the somewhat lower profile is perfect for not being in the way or taking away from the overall view of the kitchen. Installation was a snap compared to a lot of kitchen faucets and secures to the countertop snugly. A really great product in my opinion." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Worthless, missing base plate. I bought many faucets in my life and never had to purchase the base plate, escutcheon, separately. This one came without it and I called Peerless and they $50 for the plate. This almost as much as I paid, $69, for the faucet. Without this piece my sink will have 2 nice holes on each side of the faucet that I will need to cover with something else. Nice going Peerless, never buying any of you products ever again. That's it.